In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Slides in Laptop. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can get to your presentations in just a moment. First, open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Any modern browser on your laptop will work. Give it a second to load and make sure your internet connection is active. Google Slides runs in the browser, so a stable connection helps everything load smoothly. Next, go straight to the address bar at the very top of the window and type slidesgoogle.com, then press enter. This takes you directly to the Google Slides homepage without detours. You should see the familiar Google interface and, once everything loads, a place where your presentations will appear. If you use Slides often, remember this web address. Many people like to keep it handy for quicker access in the future. Now sign in to your Google account. If you're already signed in on this browser, Slides will recognize you automatically. If not, you'll see a sign-in page prompting you for your email and password. Enter your details carefully and continue through any security checks your account might require. If you use more than one Google account, confirm you're on the one that holds your presentation so you see the right files. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Slides home screen. Here you can see recent presentations as thumbnails. Simply click the presentation you want to open. A single click on the thumbnail or title will load it in a new view where you can read, present, or edit. If you have a long list, take a moment to look through your recent items or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a file by name. And that's it. Open your browser, go to slides.google.com, sign in, and click the presentation you need. After it opens, Google Slides will automatically save changes as you work, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. If you plan to revisit a file often, keep the tab open or note the file's name so you can spot it instantly next time. With these steps, you can reliably access your slides on any laptop with a modern browser and an internet connection. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get to your presentations quickly and confidently.